Namaste. My name is Parthi Vasnaya. I am studying in Udaya. I am going to tell you state and capital of India.
Parthiv, which is the capital of Kerala?
Thiruvananthapuram.
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai.
Karnataka,
Bangalore.
Goa,
Panaji.
Andhra Pradesh,
Amaravati.
Telangana,
Hyderabad.
Maharashtra,
Mumbai.
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar.
Rajasthan,
Jaipur.
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal.
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow.
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun.
Haryana, Punjab,
Chandigarh.
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla.
Jammu Kashmir,
Srinagar.
Ladakh,
Leh.
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur.
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar.
Jharkhand,
Ranchi.
Bihar,
Patna.
West Bengal,
Kolkata.
Assam,
Dispur.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar.
Nagaland,
Kohima.
Manipur,
Imphal.
Mizoram,
Aiswar.
Sikkim,
Gangtok.
Meghalaya,
Shillong. Kerala. Tamil Nadu. Karnataka. Goa. Andhra Pradesh. Telangana. Maharashtra. Gujarat. Rajasthan. Madhya Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Uttarakhand. Haryana. Punjab. Himachal Pradesh. Jammu Kashmir. Ladakh. Chhattisgarh. Odisha. Bihar. Jharkhand. West Bengal. Assam. Arunachal Pradesh. Nagaland. Manipur. Mizoram. Sikkim. Meghalaya.